In this video, we'll be discussing about network and operations research. We'll define what a network is and also take some examples. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. What is network and operations research? A network is a set of points or nodes that are connected by lines or links. A network is a set of points or nodes that are connected by lines or links. So this is the definition for a network in operations research. It simply means if this is a network, this is said to be our nodes, while this is our line or link. Example, we'll take some examples. Example 1. Draw the network. If say n, which is our node, if we have our node as n to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we also have our arc, which is a to be say 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, and 5, 1. So if we have our arc as this, and we have our nodes as this, we are asked to draw the network. How do we draw this network? Solution. We look at the nodes that are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we'll have 5 nodes. We'll have 5 nodes. So what we need to do is to check how we can position these nodes. We can say 1, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So your ability to get this correctly means you have drawn your network. And we are saying 1 is connecting to, 1 is connecting to, 1 is connecting 3, 1 is connecting 3, 2 is connecting 5, 2 is connecting 5, 3 is connecting 4, 3 is connecting 4, is also connecting 5. 3 is connecting 5. 4 is connecting 5. 4 is connecting 5. And 5 is connecting 1. 5 is connecting 1. So this is our network for the question that is given. This is how to draw a network in operations research. We can still take another question. Say example 2. Draw the network. If we have n, which is our node, to be equal to, this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a, which is our arc, to be 1 and 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then say 3, 4. 3, 4. So if we have such question, how do we draw our network? Our being able to position the nodes properly will assist us in getting this network easily. Solution. For more on this, you need to subscribe to this channel. We can say this, let here be 3, 1, 4, 2, because 2 is connecting 4, 3 is connecting 4, 2 is connecting 3, 1 is connecting 3, and 1 is connecting 2. So when you position your nodes properly, drawing the network will be easier and simpler. So this is our nodes. We now connect. 1 is connecting 2, is a link. 1 is connecting 2, is a link. 1 is also connecting 3. 2 is connecting 3. 2 is connecting 3. 2 is connecting 4. 2 is connecting 4. And 3 is also connecting 4. So this is our network for the question that is given. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. This is how we can simply get our network. If the nodes are given, this is a node, a node, a node, a node, a node. This is a node, another node, another node, another node. While these are the lines. These are the lines, or we call them links. These are the lines, or we call them links. As we have defined, a network is a set of points or nodes that are connected by lines or links. So for more on operations research, you need to subscribe to this channel.